Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to talk about concatenate, concat, text join, and then just using the and sign to join text strings together. So first of all, concatenate, which is a strange word, it's the function that you use to join text together from different cells. So it works like this. If I just type in this cell to the right, equals concat and 8, open the bracket, and then you're basically selecting the cells, comma, and then you need to do a delimiter if you don't want it all going together as one complete word. So I'm going to do a space there. So I need to open quotes, do a space, close quotes, comma, and then click on the second cell in this example, close that. Now that's quite an old function. I'll tick that, comes in like so, which is exactly how I want it. Now, concat allows you to select a range of cells. It's slightly different, but you do have to tweak it a little bit. Even so, equals concat. Now, if I go into the wizard on this one, let's have a quick look at the FX wizard. It's got the first thing there. It's the text that you want to select. Now, in this example, I want to select these two. So if I just do that, it's coming up with a result like so. So I'll click OK, and then it puts it in there, but there's no space, and it's all just joined it together. So it's got its uses. But what I'm going to have to do now is get myself up here and sort of do exactly the same as that, put the space in there. So in my view, concat and concatenate in this sort of example is almost identical, because I'm going to have to fix this, and this is also put dollar signs everywhere. So what I'll do is I'll just type it again. So just go equals concat, open the bracket, clicking on the first cell, doing a comma, doing my space, comma, clicking on the second cell, and then closing a bracket. So that's identical to the first one, ticking that one. If I do the text join function, I want to put the word hello in front of these three. Now each of these, if you look at that, if I double click onto top, see I've got a space there, so I've cheated a little bit. I've got a space after each one of these. Now, getting there, just type equals text join, open the bracket on that. Now I'm going to go into the FX on this one, because the first thing it wants is the delimiter, which is going to be a space, which you have to put in quotes like that. Then you're picking the word that you want to use, but before that you've got this skip empty cells, so you need to have that there. So if there's nothing in there, it's just going to miss it out. So text is going to be hello, and then I want to join it with these three. So I'll highlight this list, and then you get hello Tom, Dick and Harry there. Click OK to that, and it's put it in there for me. So that's text join. Now I could have used concatenation to do that, or concat, as you saw already. Could have done that and then just pulled it down, but it wouldn't be all in one word like so. Now this one, the little and sign, you can do the concatenation in concat with the and sign. If I just do it on this one, click on my first cell, do an and sign, which I call a joining or glue point, then you still have to do your space. So I've done a space, then I have to glue that space back to the other cell like so. But there's no function there. That's just going to join those together with a space to see what that looks like. Tick that and you get the same sort of answer. I tend to use that more often than the function. Just think it's easier than messing about with the FX. But there's just a few little examples of concatenation, concat, text join, and then doing it yourself with the and sign. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.